So here's another package for video reviews. Just came back from a trip to Colorado, which was amazing. Let's see what we got here. Oh, these are charging wires for the phone, the computer, all the cameras. This is gonna be really useful because I have a lot of equipment and I'm always on the move, on the road. And it's incredibly useful, 4-in-1. So we'll open it tomorrow and start charging different equipment we have here. Armored Dragon Charging Light by the company M-Fish. So let's check this charging line, Armored Dragon wire. I'm on the road all the time with cameras. I have the GoPro, I have the DJI Osmo, I have the iPhone. There's so many things to charge nowadays. Oh, I already like the case. I'm gonna keep this for sure. Oh wow, this feels really good quality, just like the weight of it. You can switch it there so you can connect. Let's go and check it in the car that I have out here and see how it is. So speaking of charging, I'm charging this GMC Denali, still at 72%, 336 miles, and it needs another couple hours or more to get 100%. Charges at a rate of 18 miles an hour. So obviously the car is a different type of charging, but it's a good example to talk about why wires matter. So you can see how thick this wire is, and it's like a hose. If you have a tiny hose, less water will come out. It's a pretty thick hose, so this will bring a lot of energy really quickly. I don't need to charge the phone right now too much. It's at 61%. But let's go here at the battery. Always forget, where is it? Here it is. So it's charging. It tells you all the information, but again, the size and the technology in the wire matters. So this Armored Dragon charging line, 240 watts, which is double or more than the standard wires. And it's 4-in-1 because you have the multiple entries for it. So this is for the old iPhone. This is USB normal, USB-C. So this is gonna be very useful for all my trips, all my traveling. And again, the packaging looks really cool. I like that too. Let's wrap it here and put it in the case. So this is going with me everywhere now. Armored Dragon charging line, 240 watts by the company M-Fish. So here I am at my studio. As you can probably see here, my GoPro is at 16% of battery charge. And this is what I was talking about regarding size and quality of the wire. So this is the wire that comes with a GoPro, and this is the new one. So look at the difference. It's almost, I'm gonna say, at least 2 times or not 3 times thicker. So if it was water, you can imagine more water will come through. Same with electric energy. So instead of using this, I'm gonna connect this here to the computer using this port. And this one will go here in the camera. There it is. So we're now charging. You see the green light down there and this dot here, which means the camera is charging. Again, look at the different insides. 2.5 times thicker.